Our Wave Renaissance bundle. We'll come down here to Waves after the audio channel, the R channel. We have the R compressor. Remember, R stands for Renaissance. It's supposed to sound vintage. So let's put this compressor on a voice and see how it sounds.
We show love and
remember, on a compressor, the threshold is the point where the compressor turns on. So when the volume goes over the threshold, the compressor kicks on. When the volume drops below, it kicks off. This is the amount of reduction or squishing of the dynamics. So once you go over the threshold, it's going to take your dynamics, and by dynamics I mean loud and soft. You won't get as loud or get as soft. It smooths out and makes the vocals more consistent. It's essential in mixing. It's absolutely essential in mixing to smooth out the dynamics so things don't stick out and things don't get lost.
we show love.
You see how
And tell me if
compressor
you need
kicks
it.
on
We show
below this
love.
threshold.
I really like to show love when those you love.
And this is the amount of compression. The higher the ratio, remember a ratio is a fraction. So at 2:1, that would be like half of the dynamic change. At 4:1, that would be like 1/4 of the dynamic change. So let's see how we can smooth out this vocal and make it sound more consistent.
We show love. And tell me if you need it. We show love. I really like to show love when those you.
We'll talk about attack and releases and some fancy things that we can do with those in a future tutorial. There's a couple other little buttons up here on the Renaissance compressor. You can switch it from warm to smooth. Use your ear to decide which one you like. I'm not really sure what electro or opto is, but use your ear. And then arc or manual. Just use your ear on those. And then this would be the output gain. It's common on a compressor since you're squishing your dynamics, and when things get loud you try to stop them from getting too loud. So it's common on a compressor to lose volume after you compress, and some compressors actually call this makeup, which means you're making up for the loss of volume that the compressor is causing. Watch.
We show love.
Bypass.
And tell me if you need it. We show love. I really like to show love when those you love.
So this would be your output volume.